Another issue that large sites often run into is problems with dynamic URLs. So a dynamic URL is one that's created by a content management system, by a web server to serve content dynamically. If there's something that is done over and over and over in a database, and then that's spit out to a web page and served dynamically. So the ideal here is to not use dynamic URLs. This has been an ongoing problem for search engines for years in the way that they read anything after a question mark or a query string. So static URLs are the ideal. As we said, the perfect or the zen of URL creation would be a couple dashes, no more than a couple slashes, and 3 or 4 words. So no extraneous characters like ampersands or numbers are fine, but actual characters, strange characters and other than alphanumeric can start to become a problem. So if you do have dynamic URLs, you should be converting them to static URLs with mod rewrite or a SAPI rewrite. These are programs that help on your web server to make these URLs look better to users as well as to the search engines. Now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about for mod rewrite or a SAPI rewrite, that's not a problem. This is something your developers, your network administrators are going to worry about. This is not something that I even often I can't code these redirects myself, but I know how to put them in place. And what's important is as you're learning search engine optimization is how to put these things in place and how to refer your team members to the right resources so that your developers can write those 301 redirects so they can create static URLs out of dynamic URLs. And understanding where to get this information and why it's important is the most fundamental aspect of search engine optimization.